Hello everyone! What plants are we going to use in our first colony on Mars? Let's find out! The dream of establishing a self-sufficient colony on Mars hinges on our ability to cultivate food far from the familiar fields of Earth. Growing plants on Mars will be essential for creating a sustainable food supply, maintaining a livable environment, and potentially even contributing to fuel and material production in the future. But faced with the harsh Martian conditions, which plants stand the best chance of thriving on this alien world? Before we delve into specific plant candidates, it's vital to understand the unique challenges Martian agriculture faces. Mars has a thin atmosphere, offering little protection from harmful radiation. Daytime temperatures at the Martian equator might feel vaguely like a chilly Earth day, but at night, the temperature plummets far below freezing. The Martian soil also likely contains harmful chemicals called perchlorates, which are toxic to plants and humans alike. These factors make growing plants directly in the open Martian soil next to impossible, necessitating a radical rethinking of traditional farming methods. Our first Martian gardens will likely be housed within protected habitats or greenhouses. These structures would protect plants from radiation, regulate temperatures, and allow for the creation of an artificial atmosphere with appropriate pressure and composition for plant growth. This controlled environment approach provides a vital starting point for establishing agriculture on Mars. With these controlled environments in mind, let's explore some promising plant candidates. We'll want to start with plants that offer several advantages: fast growth, high nutritional value, and adaptability to artificial growing conditions. Leafy greens like lettuce, spinach, and kale fit the bill nicely. They provide essential vitamins and minerals and can be harvested quickly and repeatedly. Other fast growers like radishes, microgreens, and herbs would add flavor and variety to the diet, a critical factor for the morale of colonists far from home. While fresh, crunchy vegetables boost morale and nutrition, we'll also need staple crops. These are the sources of carbohydrates and calories vital for long-term survival on Mars. Potatoes are a strong contender, known for their adaptability, potential for high yields, and ability to be stored for extended periods. Researchers are also investigating the potential of growing rice and sweet potatoes within controlled Martian environments. Beyond staples, we'd benefit from including legumes like beans or peas in our Martian garden plan. Not only do these plants add protein to the diet, but they have the remarkable ability to improve the soil they grow in through a process called nitrogen fixation. They work with naturally occurring bacteria to convert atmospheric nitrogen into a form usable by plants, reducing the need for imported fertilizers, a critical consideration when building a self-sufficient Martian colony. Initial food production on Mars will likely be a relatively small-scale operation focused on high-value, nutritious crops. However, as Martian colonies expand, food production will need to scale up. Some scientists envision vast underground farms or networks of connected greenhouses sprawled across the Martian landscape. As technology advances, we may even see attempts to modify the Martian environment for outdoor agriculture, a concept known as terraforming. While terraforming the entire planet is likely far into the future, localized micro-terraforming might be achievable. This could involve releasing special microbes or extremophile plants capable of gradually altering the Martian soil, making it more hospitable to traditional crops. Beyond traditional food production, plants could serve several other vital roles in a Mars colony. We know our primary oxygen supply on Mars will likely come from technological life support systems, but plants could play a supplementary role. Fast-growing algae or plants like duckweed could be cultivated to absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen within the enclosed environments. This would not only reduce stress on life support systems but could contribute to a more balanced and self-renewing artificial atmosphere. As scientists explore the best candidates for Martian agriculture, they're also looking to Earth's extremophiles, organisms adapted to incredibly harsh conditions. Studying plants that thrive in environments with high salinity, extreme cold, drought, or radiation could offer vital clues into the traits necessary for Martian agriculture. These extremophiles might reveal natural defense mechanisms that protect plants from cellular damage. These mechanisms could be harnessed by genetically engineering traditional crops, creating new breeds of Mars-optimized foods. The potential advantages of growing plants on Mars extend far beyond sustenance. The sight of vibrant greenery and the simple act of tending to plants can have immense psychological benefits for astronauts living far from Earth's familiar landscapes. Plants in a Martian environment could serve as a soothing reminder of home, providing solace and reducing stress. Additionally, plants can play a role in recycling systems within a closed habitat. They can naturally help filter wastewater, remove pollutants from the air, and contribute to a more self-sustaining life support environment. Looking further into the future, scientists speculate about the potential for plants to become more than just a food source on Mars. We might genetically engineer plants to break down Martian resources or waste products, helping to create biofuels. This could reduce our dependence on resources shipped from Earth and pave the way for expanding exploration across Mars. While numerous challenges still need to be addressed, there are significant strides being made in this exciting field of Martian agriculture. Researchers are constantly experimenting with soil mixes that mimic the Martian regolith. This helps us understand how we might remove harmful chemicals like perchlorates and add essential nutrients to support plant growth while conserving precious resources. Techniques like hydroponics and aeroponics are seeing major advancements. Instead of traditional soil, hydroponics uses nutrient-rich water solutions, and aeroponics suspends plants with their roots exposed to a nutrient mist. These methods could be game changers for Martian farming, allowing efficient plant growth with minimal water waste. We're also witnessing advances in closed-loop systems, where scientists aim to integrate plant cultivation with waste recycling, water filtration, and oxygen generation. These systems hold the promise of moving us closer to the goal of a fully self-sufficient Martian habitat. The development of such intricate closed-loop systems holds benefits far beyond Mars exploration, offering potential solutions for resource conservation and sustainable agriculture right here on Earth. The journey toward growing plants on Mars is a complex one that will undoubtedly see hurdles along the way. The thin Martian atmosphere, limited water resources, and unfamiliar soil composition present unique obstacles for Earth-adapted plants. However, with each experiment in Martian soil simulants, each tweak of a hydroponic system, and each gene spliced into a potential Martian crop, we inch closer to making the dream a reality. The first Martian farmers will pave the way for a more sustainable future on the Red Planet. Their work, born of necessity and relentless innovation, could ultimately transform our understanding of agriculture both on Earth and among the stars. Thank you for watching. Please follow for more related videos and see you later. Goodbye.